Good morning. I'm Preston Jacob Crowley here with News 10. Today is September 11th. Never forget, let's have a quick moment of silence. Thank you. Today we'll be talking about the biochemical cycle of water. The biochemical cycle of water is a very important natural process by which essential elements for living matter are circulated from the non-living components. These cycles move essential elements for life to be sustained. For example, the movement of nutrients and other elements between biotic and abiotic factors. Another example is the movement of nitrogen and phosphate in rivers, lakes, and oceans. Water reaches plants, animals, and humans, and benefits us all in different ways.
One positive human impact is rerouting rivers, which reduces the long-term risks of erosion, protects biodiversity, and provides better land access.
Ready? You, your mom, and even your dog can board this fine vessel. At a low price of $39.99, you can stay for a week on the Usain boat. Take a tour of every part of the water cycle, including the Mississippi River, Atlantic Ocean, Lake Lansing, and even Rainier Pond. How long is it?
Just in. I'm Breslin Jacob Crowley, and we're about to interview Farmer Al. There he is! There he is! Go! We gotta get him! We gotta get him! Come on! Come on! Farmer Al! Farmer Al! Please! A little bit of your time, please!
Oh geez, fine.
So, Farmer Al, how sustainable are your farming practices?
What in tarnation does that even mean?
You know, like, where's your water come from?
Comes from that lake about 2 miles north.
Okay. Where does all that water end up when you're done with that?
Well, the runoff carries it to the rivers a couple miles south, where most locals call it the River of Toes.
Okay. What pesticides do you use?
I use the pyrethroids. They keep the bugs off me produce.
Wait, but isn't that the pesticide that is really harmful to water life? And probably the reason all the fish are dying in the River of Toes?
No more questions. Get out of here!
Ah! Do you want to save the world? I'm the Plant Whisperer, and I can help you save the world today. By planting our plants, you promote the movement of phosphorus, stimulating natural plant growth in the area. Not to mention, our plants protect you from zombies. All prices vary from 90 cents to $10, depending on our species of plant. Thank you.
Mr. Ford, may I please have some of your time to talk about your business?
Well, I suppose since you asked nicely.
What is one of your most used but harmful resources?
Well, I'd have to say oil. I'd have to say oil because, you know, harmful or not, can't live or work without that.
What do you do with your used oil that is no longer usable?
Well, I think we just dump it out back, but pretty sure that leads to a creek down back.
Well, that happens to be the creek that is affecting lakes and rivers in our area and killing the wildlife.
Get out of here.
Hello, I'm Dr. Breslin, here to give you our scientific breakdown. Water is essential in not only breaking down and weathering primary minerals that are essential for plant life, it is also the way nutrients is transported to plant roots to be absorbed. Water also supplies the hydrogen necessary to join with carbon dioxide to form sugar during photosynthesis. Water also dissolves nutrients from decaying plants and animals and is moved to new plants to be absorbed through runoff. Human pollution displayed in our previous interviews can upset this delicate process. However, it is important that balance is maintained and not too much nutrients is created. When too much nutrients occur in a body of water, algae is created and can starve the other plants and animals of oxygen in a process called eutrophication. If you are not conscious of your impacts on the biogeochemical water cycle, then you can cause eutrophication, killing helpless animals like LeBron here. This is LeBron. It is important for humans to be aware of the impact that they have on this nutrient cycle, and where water carries these nutrients, and whether it is beneficial to other plants or is causing a eutrophication. Thank you.